Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cook a black truffle mushroom pie in Heartopia game. Okay, first of all guys, you need to collect the black truffle mushrooms like this. If you don't know where you can find the black truffle mushroom, you can watch my previous video. Okay, after you collect the black truffle mushroom, you're going to use your stove, and then you're going to choose the mushroom pie recipe, and then you're going to replace the mushroom with the black truffle one, and then you're going to start cooking, and you will create black truffle pie. Okay, I'm still cooking it. Okay, guys, don't forget to adjust the heat level so you won't get the bizarre food. Okay, still loading, guys. All right, done. And I just got the black truffle pie. Wow. Okay guys, and that's how you can cook the black truffle pie in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.